What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. You can see in the back of the car we have an Amazon FBA shipment ready to go out and a bag full of clothing and some sheets and stuff. I figured I would clean out the closet and we had too much stuff in there, really. So I'm gonna go donate this stuff to Goodwill, and then we're gonna go thrifting at Goodwill. Hopefully we can find some cool stuff to flip. I get rid of some stuff and I bring more stuff right back into the house. It's kind of how it works. Luckily, on the way to Goodwill, there is a package drop-off point for UPS and FedEx, so it's never out of the way. Saves me a lot of hassle. All right, guys, I figured we could head inside Goodwill first before we do the donation. The donation drop-off's right there on the side, so it's not really out of the way either. They're pretty quick and easy there, so hopefully we find some cool stuff in here. Let's go. All right, so first things first, we're checking out the electronics, and I notice a whole bunch of these PC joysticks right here. They're all brand new. They're $5 each. They have new stickers here, $5 each. They're actually not really worth it. They have really bad reviews on Amazon, and they don't seem to sell very well. There's a different model right here, but same sort of thing. Now, looking over here, though, we have a nice Sony DVD VCR recorder. You love to see the recorder aspect. This sells for almost $200 online if it works. Now, the amount of times I've purchased DVD VCR combos at Goodwill, they don't work, is extremely high. But this one also comes with the remote. Let's see what the price is here. $12. So that's a good price. I think I'm gonna snag this for 12 bucks. It also has the AV cables hanging from it, so that's nice. I always try to include that whenever I sell this. And this would go on Amazon for me. So let's take it, stick it in the cart. There we go. Now I'm turning right around and I noticed this up here. This is a Radica. There's the brand right there, Radica Play Football. It's a plug and play with, I think that's like I don't really know how it works. It's a step pad with a wireless ball. I don't know. This is pretty cool. It is only $6. $6. And the box is obviously super damaged. I think it is brand new. I looked it up online and it doesn't seem to be worth too much, but I kind of want to try it out for myself. So I figure at $6, I'll take the gamble. This seems interesting. It's super heavy. It's a board game called Sunrise City. Now, I've never heard of it before. It's priced at $12, which seems very high. So how we will look this up is through the Amazon seller app, which I have open right here. And we will scan in the barcode, see what it's going for online. There it is. It has a super high rank and 40 bucks. It's not going to be worth it. I'm going to put this back, and the reason why it's not worth it is because of that rank. It's going to take forever to sell. All right, we did just find two games that are worth it. We have this Think Fun Bug Trails game. It is brand new sealed. It's 5 bucks. And at $5, it's definitely worth it. Appears to be selling for, I think, about $30. So that's a nice find. And then this right here is really interesting. It's a Beyblade. I have just recently sold a Beyblade over on eBay. I'll actually pop that up here on the screen. I just shipped it out the other day, and I find another. And let's see what year this is from. It is from 2018. So it's not that old. Now, they want $5 for it. It is brand new. As you guys can see, it's still sealed, but the package is heavily damaged. Now, taking a look on Amazon, you could see it has a decent rank, 247,000. It's still pretty high, but it's better than that 750,000 one. The higher number, the worse off. See, it's selling for $40 brand new. I figure I could sell this used for 20 or so, right? Cut the price in half, and it's still new. Somebody will just have a little bit of a damaged item. So worst comes to worst, I'll throw it up on eBay. Look at this, guys. More brand new sealed old PC stuff. We have a few vintage mouses, I don't know, kind of interesting, and some keyboards here. The Micro 2000. Now, these might be clicky keyboards, which people really like. I can't tell. And ooh, one of them is opened, so let's take a look. Clicky keyboards sell very well, and if these are actually brand new, then I might be able to charge a premium. Not sure yet though. Let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, so I opened it up and it all is still sealed in there, but I tap it. You guys can't really hear that. It's not super clicky, so I have a feeling these aren't going to be worth much, but we're still going to look up the price. These would be more of an eBay thing anyways, so let's see how it's doing over on eBay. So it's not doing so great on eBay. You can see there's one listed brand new for $20 plus 12 shipping. Another one 20 plus 13 shipping, 18 plus 11 shipping. So there's one brand new for $10. They're asking 5 on these, so these aren't gonna be worth it. I had a feeling. Usually if you could hear loud clicks when you hit the keyboards or the, you know, all the keys, they do a little bit better. I was flipping through some of the art and I found this Coors Light, and it's kind of it's sticking out. I don't know, the embossed, embedded, what, I don't know what that is, but it's sticking out a little bit. There's some texture to it, but it's for the Giants. I'm a Dolphins fan. It's only $4 though. It's kind of cool. I don't know. There's another one in here also. Right here, a Coors Light football one. They're neat. And then look at this. This is even better right here. It's a map of Grandma's house. I wonder how much they're charging for this map of Grandma's house. Grandma's house is $3, and the glass is broken down there. That's so ridiculous. Alright guys, I know we cut it short inside of the Goodwill. I did walk around a little bit more, and I didn't really end up finding anything else. I bought the DVD VCR combo, the Bug game, the Beyblade, and this plug-and-play football game that I showed you guys, on top of another football game that I purchased from Goodwill. This is I purchased years ago. It plugs into the wall and you play 2 players and you kind of run on this pad here and you move your character with the joystick. So I guess I have like a plug and play football collection now. I'm not sure what's going on because I'm keeping this. This is my little retro nook over here. I think I'm gonna plug it into the TV and see how it works. It's a small TV, but it should get the job done. Also, I'm not sure if I ever showed anybody my little basement setup down here, but this is my little basement setup, my bar. Right when you come in, I don't have walls in this area yet, so I bought some scary tapestries. Here's another one. It gets the job done. And then we got some Miami Dolphins stuff. I found this at Goodwill. It has some kid Ethan's name on it, but I decided to keep it, obviously. A bunch of Dolphins gear on the inside, some jerseys and shirts and stuff. Dolphins blanket, of course. I got my dartboard over here. You can see we played it quite a bit. It has Rumpelmans on it. I found this at Goodwill as well. Most things I find at Goodwill. So that's pretty cool. We got most of this stuff we found over at thrift stores as well. These games down here, Battle Ball, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles game. A bunch of these books I picked up at different thrift stores and just, you know, cheap secondhand stores, things like that. I snagged this neon light at a secondhand shop near me for, I believe, 50 bucks. It's pretty cool. And then we got my little physical media collection. Got some VHS, some Blu-rays, and some DVDs down there. All my 4Ks are upstairs. My little TV setup with the PlayStation 2. It's running a emulator on it, so it's got a Raspberry Pi hooked up and an external hard drive, so it has lots of games on it. The big Dolphins flag and the bar. I don't think there's much behind the bar. Some wine, some games. So yeah, I think I'm gonna plug this in and see how it works. So after a few minutes of putting batteries in all the accessories, we have it up and running. It's telling me to motion the ball. Let's see. Uh-oh. Maybe the ball doesn't work. Or do I press the button on the ball? Oh no. Okay, maybe it needs different batteries. So the game can't start unless I motion the ball. And I hear the thing moving in there, but I just put new batteries in here. It doesn't seem to work. The whole game was brand new sealed, and the battery compartment's brand new in here. There were no batteries in here, but can't get it to work. That's why I try to avoid buying electronics at Goodwill. Yeah, so I'm not going to play this. Let this be a lesson to everybody. When you're buying electronics at thrift stores, if you could test it in the store, best way to go. Obviously, in this case, I wasn't able to test it in the store. I would have needed batteries, a screwdriver. I'd have to open up a brand new sealed item. It just wouldn't be worth it. I took the $6 gamble and I lost. It is what it is, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.